If you need to cancel a pending transfer on Selz, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed smoothly. Step 1. Log into your Selz account. Access your Selz account by entering your credentials on the Selz website. Make sure you are using the account associated with the pending transfer. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers section. Once logged in, locate the Transfers section in your account dashboard. This area will display all your recent and pending transfers. Step 3. Identify the pending transfer. Review the list of transfers and find the one that is currently pending. Click on it to view more details about the transaction. Step 4. Select the Cancel option. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the cancellation. A confirmation prompt may appear to ensure you want to proceed with the cancellation. Confirm your choice and the pending transfer will be cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel any pending transfer on Selz. If you have any further questions or issues, consider reaching out to Selz customer support for assistance.